Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to run a Python file using Windows PowerShell. That's a command prompt, Windows command prompt. So first you can see that I have two CSV file and there is one output file. My program, this program is a Python file, is basically will create the difference between these two files and show the output here. So leaving aside the program, in this video we will focus how to run the Python program in command line. Okay, so let's start. So I will go and open the Windows PowerShell. So here you can see I am opening the Windows PowerShell. So from here what we have to do, we have to change directory to this particular directory. So right click here, copy address, then space cd space inverted comma, enter. Okay, so you have now entered the directory. Now you have to run the Python program. You have to write Python space single inverted comma, and then you have to write this file name .py. okay, this file name is difference.py and hit enter. So you can see the difference saved to output CSV. Okay, so we'll go to output CSV. You can see this is now populated and this is the difference you can see. Okay, so thanks for watching. We'll bring in more such video for you in future. Please subscribe so that I can be motivated. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.